Hello my friends, here I am again. First of all, let me tell you that I'm recording with the KF microphone. I already made the review of this microphone, but now KF sent me this LED ring light. Okay, let me show you what's inside the box, and after that I will assemble this setup to show you the difference with light and with no light. Okay, this is one box, two box. I think this is the ring light. Okay, and third box. Okay, let's start. This is the ring light. The ring light have a support to phone and a cable with a controller where we can place the intensity of the light and the three temperatures of the color. Okay, I think this is the tripod. Yes, this is the tripod. Okay. Yes, this is the tripod. And this is this accessories. Yes. This is a microphone support. This is a holder that can handle more two phones. This is very interesting. One of the supports can put a power bank. This is powered by USB cable. Okay, right here I don't have power. I use a power bank. This is good for the place the power bank. Okay, this is another arm. I don't know. Okay, to assemble here in the light. And this is two phone supports, and another extra is smartphone controller. Okay, now I'm gonna assemble these things and make a video with the light to you see the difference with light and no light. Okay, bye bye. Hello again, and now I'm recording without light. I already made the assembly of the system. I will turn on to you see the difference. Light please. Okay, now it's on. I think this is interesting light for who wants to make a blog, wants to make a streaming. Probably I recommend you to who wants to work home with webcam. This is interesting system. Now I will record with the other camera the assembly of the system. Do you see? Okay. Okay, now I'm recording the setup. I will make a close-up. This is the tripod. I used the multiple phone holder to hold the power bank, the light and the phone. I'm not usually record with the phone, but this time I make the video on a phone. That's all for here. I will put in the description the review of the ring light if you want to consult. And if you like the review, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye guys.